Hello everyone, my name is Chef Sumit Pant and with me I have Chahat, first year student and a budding chef. And what we're going to do today is épinards au gratin. Now what is au gratin? Au gratin is anything which you cook under a salamander. What happens when you're making au gratin, the cheese melts down and gets a beautiful brown color. So you can make a vegetable au gratin, you can make a spinach au gratin. Today we're doing spinach au gratin. Chahat will take it forward.
Hello lovely people, I am Chahat Soni and today we are making épinards au gratin, which is spinach au gratin. I have all my ingredients ready over here. Let me show you all. At first we have our spinach, basil, garlic cloves, salt, pepper, mozzarella cheese, onion, parmesan cheese and some white sauce. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to chop some onion and garlic and I'll do the chiffonades of basil and spinach and I'll show you further next. So now I'm done with my mise en place. I have some finely chopped onion over here with some garlic, chiffonades of basil and chiffonades of spinach. And I've kept a pot over here for boiling and I'll be adding a tablespoon of salt in it. So now water has come to a boil and I'll be throwing some spinach in it for roughly 20 seconds. So now it's been 20 seconds and I'll be taking the spinach out. So now in a pan I'm adding some olive oil along with the butter in which I'll be sauteing my spinach along with some garlic and onion. And now I'm adding some garlic and some onion and now I'll saute. Once the onion and garlic have been sauteed, I'll be adding some spinach in it and I'll be sauteing it along with it. So now I'll be adding some seasoning to my spinach. Here I've added some salt and some pepper and give it a good mix. So for the final assembly of the spinach au gratin, here I have some bechamel sauce, sauteed spinach, some mozzarella cheese and some parmesan cheese. So now I'm going to layer some sauteed spinach with some bechamel sauce. So now I'd like to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top of the bechamel sauce. So now I would like to top it off with some parmesan cheese. One tip I would like to give you all is that to keep an eye on the salt, because parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese contains salt and we have already added some salt while blanching the spinach and sauteing the spinach. So now I would like to transfer this into a hot oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes or until it gratinates. So it's roughly 6 to 7 minutes and we'll take our spinach out now. Spinach au gratin is now ready. So in the end, I'm going to sprinkle some basil on top of the spinach au gratin. What you can also do is you can layer the basil in between the cheese. Presenting to you spinach au gratin.